Apple might have just done something nobody expected. A brand new MacBook, for the price of a mid-range smartphone. This is the MacBook Neo, and if these early hands-on leaks are real, it could become Apple's most affordable laptop ever. Let's take a closer look. Right away, the first thing you notice is the design and colors. Apple is introducing a brand new color called Sage, and honestly, it looks incredible. It has this soft, pastel-style finish that feels fresh compared to the usual Apple colors. Alongside that, the MacBook Neo will reportedly come in blue, pink, silver, and yellow options as well. And Apple didn't stop there. Even the keyboard colors subtly match the body, giving the laptop a more playful and modern look. It's a small detail, but it makes the device feel unique. Opening the laptop reveals a 13-inch display, which looks bright and sharp, perfect for everyday tasks like browsing, watching videos, and working on documents. Below the display is a full-size Magic Keyboard, complete with Touch ID for fast unlocking and secure payments. And just like other modern Macs, there's a large trackpad that feels smooth and responsive. Now let's talk about ports. On the side, you'll find two USB-C ports for charging and accessories, along with a headphone jack. There's no MagSafe charging here, but that's likely one of the ways Apple kept the price down. Inside the MacBook Neo, leaks suggest it runs on the A8 Pro chip, paired with 8 GB of RAM. This means it's not designed to replace high-end machines like the MacBook Pro. Instead, Apple is positioning this laptop for everyday users. It's perfect for things like web browsing, watching movies, schoolwork, running apps like Pages, GarageBand, or iMovie, and even using cloud-based AI apps. However, if you're planning to do heavy work like Final Cut Pro editing or professional music production, this probably isn't the laptop for you. But here's the part that makes this device really exciting. The price. In the UK, the MacBook Neo is expected to launch at £599, which likely translates to around $599 in the United States. If that happens, this could become the most accessible MacBook Apple has ever released. And with a reported battery life of up to 16 hours, it could easily last an entire day of work or school. So Apple's strategy here is pretty clear. The MacBook Neo isn't meant to replace the MacBook Air or Pro. Instead, it's designed for first-time Mac users, students, and anyone upgrading from an older laptop. And if Apple gets the balance right between performance, battery life, and price, this could become one of Apple's best-selling laptops ever. But now I want to hear from you. Would you buy the MacBook Neo for around $599? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech leaks and future gadget news.